I know there are some other meetings out there for IMS, but in this video we're going to focus on what we do here at Brando Consulting, and that's inventory management software or integrated management system. They're two different things, but they both connect. Let me show you. So in this model, you're looking at an integrated management system where you have your CRM that talks to your inventory management software, that talks to your accounting software, and they might talk with other software like your shopping carts or your shipping software, maybe project management software or time and labor software. Whatever it is, this icon just represents the rest of them. So this is an integrated management system. Within it is an inventory management software. Inventory management software is not ERP. ERP is all of the software programs that are in the integrated management system made by the same company in the same ecosystem. The integrated management system has separate software programs that are made by separate companies that are all talking to each other. Sometimes a couple of them might be made by the same company. But a true ERP is one software that has all of these components: CRM, inventory management, accounting, and all the others. So what are some examples of an IMS and what are some examples of an ERP? I'm going to focus on inventory management software and enterprise resource planning. Here are some examples of inventory management software that plug into QuickBooks. These are great solutions for small business owners. Your Fishbowl Advanced, Activate, MySys Manufacturing, Sin7 Core, Advanced Pro Tech, Order Time, Unleashed. These are all what I would consider robust inventory management software programs that connect to QuickBooks. Then let's look at SOS Inventory and Wherefore. I would say these are about mid-weight IMS for QuickBooks. Let's take a look at these three: Inflow, Katana, and Fishbowl Online. I would say those are lightweight inventory management software programs for QuickBooks. Now they're currently lightweight. In the future, just around the corner, they're probably not going to be. Then this bottom row, your SKU Vault, Sin7 Omni, Seller Cloud, and Finale, these are all what I would call e-commerce software, robust e-commerce software that connect to QuickBooks. These software programs are your true IMS. Now I know some of these companies advertise themselves as ERP, but in their defense, I don't think it's really their fault. They're trying to help you find them, and I know there's a lot of small business owners out there that search for inventory management software by using the term ERP. But in my opinion, in order to be considered an ERP, you need to have all the features that are required in a full-fledged accounting software to manage AR and AP and reconcile your bank accounts. Some of these inventory management programs touch on some of those, but none of them fully embrace all the features of an accounting software to the point where you just don't need QuickBooks to connect to it at all. Now let's take a look at your ERP programs, your enterprise software. Now we're looking at Odoo, Sage, NetSuite, Acumatica. These might seem enticing because they have all of the components in one software together. No integrating, no talking from one system to another. However, the challenge for small business owners is budget. What I find most small business owners' budget can handle for inventory management software licensing is about 0.1 to 0.5% of annual revenue for the licensing, and then 0.1 to 0.5% of annual revenue for implementation. ERP licensing and implementation is usually 3 to 5 times what just the implementation of an inventory management software is. Let's think about it for a second. If you're just looking at inventory management software, that means you're probably already on QuickBooks. You're probably already set up and paying the licensing fees. You may have a CRM, you may not, depending on your business model. And who knows what else you have, depending on your business model. So just adding an IMS to the mix, an inventory management software, makes perfect sense and is a great step towards building your business and growing from $1 to $3 million to $30 to $50 million annual revenue. For wholesale distributors and manufacturers, the time to start looking at ERP is usually when you hit the $20 million mark. It might be when you hit the $50 million mark. For e-commerce companies that have a different workflow that are using one of these inventory management software programs down here at the bottom for e-commerce, the numbers work out to be a little bit different. And you may not have to jump ship until you're at around the $200 million mark. High volume order fulfillment workflows are quite a bit different than wholesale distribution or manufacturing workflows. When you're managing your own orders, managing your own warehouse, managing your own manufacturing, the software is more hands-on and more complex. Okay, so there's some examples of inventory management software and ERP for small business owners. Next, I'd like to clarify what IMS is not. I personally don't consider inventory management software as shopping cart software, marketplace software, or EDI software. Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and Magento may have felt like inventory management software when you were under the $1 million a year mark. But once you grow to the $1 million to $3 to $5 million a year mark, these don't feel like inventory management software programs anymore. And what makes bigger sense is to plug the shopping cart into an inventory management software to start building your integrated management system model, where your e-commerce software talks to your inventory software, which talks to your shipping software and talks to your accounting software. So in my world, I personally don't consider any of these inventory management software. Shipping software. Here's another software program that I would say maybe entrepreneurs consider inventory management software. We would not consider shipping software as inventory management software. Shipping software and freight software are in their own little category that plugs into inventory management software. Purchasing software, my personal favorite. Purchasing software or forecasting software, I would put in a category in and of its own. This is software that actually plugs into your inventory management software. It leverages the sales history from your inventory management software and helps you make purchasing decisions, helps you plan production, helps you decide what to transfer in maybe your hub and spoke warehouse model. It helps with your materials resource planning, your MRP. So these software programs for small business owners and maybe even mid-sized business owners are your Conversite, Inventory Planner, Stock Trim, NetStock, Cogsy, GMDH Streamline. These will plug into your inventory management software. They actually also plug into your ERP software. So once you grow out of your IMS into an ERP, you can continue using these. CRM. Here's your software that focuses mainly on customer relationship management, not necessarily inventory management. Some CRMs may have inventory management features, but I personally would not consider them inventory management software. But they do have integrations for a lot of inventory management software and ERP software. So you can bridge the data between your CRM and your inventory management software. So once again, IMS stands for Inventory Management Software or Integrated Management Software. Inventory management software is a component of integrated management software. ERP is enterprise software that's all in one. Here at Brando Consulting, we help small business owners find the right inventory software by walking you through 4 steps. An in-depth discovery interview. Then we help you narrow down the options and decide which software is worth looking at, which one's worth assessing. And then we perform an actual assessment. It's like a light proof of concept, if you will. And then make a recommendation and help you decide on the final inventory management software. I hope this video helps you in your efforts of searching for the right inventory management software to help you build your integrated management system and clarify the difference between IMS and ERP. Go to our website and fill out a contact form if you need help finding an ERP for small businesses or an IMS for small businesses. We have various demos of inventory management software on our YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see a demo of some of the options out there that you saw on the previous list. Be sure to click like if you like this video and found it helpful.